Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's a pleasure to record a message for the International Conference on Transformation of Repositories into Knowledge Economy. This is a very good, important topic, and I congratulate the administration of Pakistan Librarians Welfare Organization and to plan this conference in September. And for me this is important because the conferences are the best venues for sharing the latest research, learning from the peers, sharing our own knowledge and networking. And this gives actually the edge of those who goes to such conferences. And we have experienced for the last 3 decades that those young practitioners and theorists who participate more in the conferences and seminars, they get abreast knowledge of their field. And in this conference what I am hoping is a good combination of the practitioners, the librarians who are the field specialists, and the theorists who are the faculty members.